Picture this. You're scrolling through your feed, seeing stories of ordinary people achieving extraordinary wealth, not through luck or inheritance, but through simple daily shifts in how they think and act. What if I told you that the key to unlocking that kind of life lies in 5 timeless habits from Jim Rohn, the master of personal growth? Jim Rohn once said, "Success is something you attract by the person you become." And these habits? They're the blueprint to becoming that person, someone who naturally draws in opportunities, abundance, and yes, the kind of wealth that changes everything. Whether you're battling student loans, navigating market ups and downs, or just starting your journey, stick around. By the end, you'll have practical steps to implement today. If you're new, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We deliver game-changing insights like this every week. Let's dive right in and see how these habits can reshape your future. Let's kick off with habit number 1, master self-education. Jim Rohn put it perfectly. Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Think about it. In a world where information is everywhere, the ones who thrive are those who never stop learning. Imagine turning your daily commute into a wealth-building academy. Commit to at least 30 minutes a day, absorbing knowledge that elevates. You dive into books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or The Intelligent Investor, the kind of wisdom Rohn championed. This habit opens your eyes to concepts like compound interest and spotting hidden gems in the stock market, turning small insights into massive gains over time. In today's fast-paced US economy, with tools like free online courses and podcasts, it's easier than ever. Action step. Grab one resource right now, a book, an audiobook, or a video series on financial strategies. Make it a ritual and watch how it starts attracting better decisions and bigger opportunities into your life. Now, habit number 2. Build powerful associations. Rohn's insight rings true. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Your circle shapes your wallet. Surround yourself with dreamers and doers, and you'll start mirroring their success. Picture upgrading from casual chats about weekend splurges to deep dives on investment strategies. Seek out mentors, join online, communities like Reddit's personal finance groups, or attend virtual meetups. In the US, with rising costs and economic shifts, connecting with those who've mastered budgeting or real estate can fast-track your progress. Action step. This week, identify one inspiring figure in finance. Reach out via LinkedIn or a forum. Nurture these connections, and you'll find doors opening to ideas like smart Roth IRA contributions or side hustles that compound your efforts. It's not magic. It's the power of who you align with. Habit number 3. Cultivate discipline over motivation. As Rohn wisely noted, motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Fleeting excitement won't build empires. Consistent action will. Envision automating your path to prosperity. Set up automatic transfers to high-yield savings or index funds, even on days when motivation dips. This habit weathers storms like market volatility or unexpected bills, ensuring steady growth. In 2025's unpredictable landscape, discipline means buying opportunities during dips instead of reacting in fear. Action step. Create a simple routine. Track your spending daily with an app like Mint and commit to one small win, like investing. $10 weekly. Build this muscle, and it becomes the engine driving you toward financial independence. On to habit number 4. Set clear, ambitious goals. Rohn warned, if you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. Vague wishes fade. Precise visions fuel breakthroughs. Think big but break it down. Use SMART goals like build a $10,000 emergency fund by year end or invest consistently to grow a $100K portfolio in 5 years. Review them daily to stay laser-focused amid distractions. For Americans facing inflation or career pivots, this clarity turns aspirations into actionable roadmaps. Action step: pause the video, jot down 3 bold financial targets. Pin them where you'll see them, and share one below for that extra accountability boost. This habit aligns your daily grind with destiny-level outcomes. Finally, habit number 5. Practice gratitude and giving. Rohn believed, the more you give, the more you get. It's the mindset multiplier. Shifting from scarcity to abundance unlocks endless flow. Start small. Journal 3 gratitudes daily, appreciating what you have while planting seeds for more. Extend it by giving time to a mentee, knowledge, in a forum, or a portion of earnings to causes. In the US, leverage tax-smart options like charitable apps. This creates a cycle where generosity attracts alliances and ideas that amplify your wealth. Action step: today, note your gratitudes, then give something meaningful, a tip, advice, or donation. Embrace this and watch how it magnetizes the prosperity you've been building toward. So there they are, Jim Rohn's 5 habits to transform your mindset and magnetize the wealth you deserve. Master self-education, build powerful associations, cultivate discipline, set clear goals, and practice gratitude. Implement them consistently and you'll see the shift from surviving to thriving. If this fired you up, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more transformative content, and comment which habit hits home for you. Let's build a community of winners. Thanks for joining. Remember, your future wealth starts with who you become today. Catch you next time.